Greetings and farewells. Greetings and farewells are common expressions used to greet or say goodbye to someone in English. They play an important role in social interactions and setting the tone for conversations. In this video, you will learn some common greetings and farewells. Greetings. Hello. Hi. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. How are you? How's it going? How are you doing? It's nice to meet you. What's happening? What's new? Farewells. Goodbye. Bye. Good night. See you tomorrow. See you later. It was nice talking to you. Remember that the choice of greeting or farewell depends on the level of formality, the relationship with the person, and the specific context of the interaction. It's always a good practice to be respectful and considerate when using greetings and farewells in different situations.